Let's draw the map of India. This is the very easy technique to draw a map of India. I'm not saying that it is a perfect technique, but approximately we can draw like this. First of all, we'll start from the Gujarat, then draw the line below, and then take care about the south corner, and then draw Bangladesh boundary. At the time of Bangladesh boundary, we can draw it easily, then leave from there and then start again. From the north side of the Gujarat there is Rajasthan, and at the upper side of the Rajasthan you can go to the Kashmir boundary, then draw out the Kashmir boundary easily, then draw the below line, and then there is a boundary of Nepal, and after the boundary of Nepal take care of the boundary of Sikkim, then draw Bhutan's boundary, and then connect the remaining dots. So here is your India's approximate map.